Keep your elbows bent and slide your hands back so your elbows are over your wrists. Reach straight back with your big toes. As you press into the tops of your feet, notice how it brings a more buoyant quality to your inner thighs. Your quadriceps engage, but keep firming your outer ankles in. Try not to squeeze or grip your buttocks. Let the flesh of your buttocks relax back towards your heels. As you inhale, lift your head, chest, and shoulders. And also lift your hands an inch off the floor. So you're not relying on your arms here. It's your back doing all the work. Chin's heavy. Breath is smooth and steady. Take one more inhale here. As you exhale, place your hands on the mat, but keep your chest lifted. Inhale, press up to all fours, pinning your elbows in the entire time. Try not to let them splay. Tuck your toes under. Exhale, come to down dog.